everyone, welcome to Virtual Kids in the Kitchen. I'm Miss Jenny from the West River branch, and today I'm going to be building a banana snowman snack with you. Now this is a perfect, yummy snack for wintertime, okay? It's also a super easy snack for you to put together at home. You really only need a few simple ingredients and supplies, okay? You'll need graham crackers, you'll need a banana, you'll need some kind of a spread. I'm going to use Nutella today, but you could use whatever you'd like. You could try peanut butter. You could try frosting if you wanted to give your snack kind of a sweet dessert feel. Or you could even experiment and try some jelly if you want. You can try different flavors. You'll also need some pretzel sticks and some raisins to build your snowman with, okay? There's really not a lot of preparation that you need to do to start with this, okay? You just need to gather your supplies and your ingredients. You'll just need a butter knife as well, okay? So the first thing you're gonna do is you are going to get your graham cracker. Whoops, let me find a non-broken one here. Your graham cracker just like this, okay? I'm gonna also start by making a few banana slices to build my snowman. A head, a middle, and a bottom. So we're just gonna make 3 little slices here. 2 and 3, just like that. Set my banana aside, okay? And then I'll take my Nutella or whatever spread you're using, and I will spread that all over my graham cracker just like this, okay? Just like this. Give it a nice coat. All right, move that out of the way. And now I'm just going to build the snowman, okay? It's super easy. Just like this, a head, a middle, and a bottom. So you've got yourself a snowman right on your graham cracker. And now it's time to decorate our snowman. I'm gonna get a few raisins out. And I'm going to use raisins to make, I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna give him some eyes with my raisins. And I'm gonna give him a couple of buttons. Just like that. And then I'll get my pretzel sticks, and I just need a couple pretzel sticks, and I'm going to give him arms using my pretzel sticks. And that's it. You have built a banana snowman on top of a graham cracker. And that's it. Now you get to enjoy your snack. Thanks for joining me for Virtual Kids in the Kitchen, everyone. See you next time.